Welcome to day 37 of me backtesting my way to success. As you may have already noticed, I have a horrible win rate right now because yesterday in the evening when I was on the call with some of my friends, they were talking and I was trying to backtest. But yeah, as you can see how that turned out. Um, I honestly think the reason why I lost so many trades. I mean, of course, sometimes you just have those losing days. But I honestly believe that it's because I was trading in the evening, and usually when I backtest and record those videos, I like backtest like in the morning or like maybe at 3 p.m. max, just like today because I have school that long. But yesterday I was backtesting at like 7 or 8 p.m. and I honestly noticed that I wasn't concentrated. But yeah, still, I mean, I learned now that I shouldn't trade in the evening for a reason. And so, yeah, let's just get right into the charts. Okay, so the first trade was a win, and the reasons why I entered were I marked Asia Open, London Open, and New York Open. Then I saw that Asia was consolidating because it didn't really move much and the moves were kind of choppy. As you can see, it's like not huge candles like right here. And so yeah, and so I placed my Fibonacci retracement from the highest to the lowest point of the Asia session and from the lowest to the highest to get those golden zones. And as you can, and price instantly went into this golden zone right here. And so I was looking for confluences in like I was just looking for confluences in any time frame. And I saw this 30-minute fair value gap to the upside right here. And on a breaker structure, I entered right away. Stop loss was below the sweep of the Asia session. And take profit was the high of the Asia session. I was also considering making or setting a TP at this golden zone, and also which also fits with the area of liquidity, but I didn't because I got this strategy from a friend of mine, and he said to only aim for the Asia high or low, depending on which golden zone and what confluence I have. But yeah, I actually could have taken this since, like I said, it also fits with this area of liquidity, so that would have been fine too. But yeah, that's already good as it is. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so next trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 2-hour breaker block right here. Also this equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. I marked Asia, London, and New York open again. Asia was consolidating, London went right into the golden zone, even took out this area of liquidity. On a breaker structure I entered. And take profit was the beginning of this 4-hour fair value gap. Stop loss was below the sweep and below this 2-hour breaker block. Either my stop loss was too tight. However, if I had given it like this much breathing room, then I wouldn't have entered because the risk-reward ratio is below 1 to 1. So I'm definitely not going to take those trades even while backtesting. So that I don't get into the habit of taking those trades. And also the breaker structure I entered off of. Oh, sorry. I gotta go to training now. But the breaker structure I entered off of is like right here, and I honestly didn't like this breaker structures too much, but I still thought because of breaker block, equilibrium, sweep, breaker structure, like kind of breaker structure, and golden zone of the Fibonacci. That's why I thought that I could still enter for a buy. I mean the theory was correct, but I should have waited for a better break structure. Like for example, right here, this candle closed perfectly above this previous candle's high, about above this candle's high, this white one. And so yeah, I could have entered right here, and that would have been a way better trade, I think, because stop loss below the sweep, take profit, maybe golden zone of Phoebe and the beginning of this fair value gap. Definitely look at this. This is a way better trade. Should have been patient and shouldn't have taken a trade where my where something just feels off, you know, like it's usually the break structure for me, and when it feels awkward, I should not enter for a trade. Why is my mom calling me now? Okay, a lot of going on. We'll see you in the next one.